Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make rose latte. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I've got some ingredients here that I'm going to crush before using. So I have some cane sugar over here. So this is 1 tablespoon, and you can put it according to how much you like using in terms of sugar. So that's 1 tablespoon of cane sugar. Now I have some, which is 1 tablespoon worth of rose petals. So I'm going to also place that inside. And now what I'm going to do is just give it a slight bit of crushing. Just want to crush it into fine powder. So what I've done over here is I haven't crushed it entirely, just a little bit, just to flatten out a bit. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place the slightly crushed rose petals and cane sugar into both these glasses. So let's just do that. Okay, so add half a teaspoon of rose water into each glass, like so. Okay, so here is some coffee. What you want to do is just top it up to the halfway mark. So now we have some boiled milk. Just top it up. That's it, so it gives it that brightness. And there you go. And you just want to add some cream on top, like so. That's it. So in order to decorate, you can put a couple of these dried rosebuds on top if you have these available, or some of the rose petals that we showed you earlier. Okay, you saw how to make this rose latte. Very simple to make, very simple process, simple steps. And let me just give it a taste and see how it turned out. It's got some rosebuds, some rose petals on top of it. It's covered with cream, and it's giving off a good smell as well. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. It's wonderful. I can taste the rose immediately, and then the blend of the latte really hits, the coffee really hits, and also the cream. Very, very delicious. That is superb, absolutely wonderful. Really enjoyed that, and it's well worth making because it doesn't take much time. It's delicious. It's a little bit different because of the rosebud element. We've obviously put in some cane sugar into it as well. So it's absolutely delicious. Do try this out, and also check our playlist where we've made other beverages that are a little bit similar to this, but they're different because of some of the varying ingredients. So with that said, do like this video, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the notifications bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. And with that said, catch you in the next one.